Cryptocurrency, crypto, is a form of digital money that exists only online. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or CDI, crypto is not controlled by banks or governments. Instead, it operates on a technology called blockchain, which makes it decentralized, transparent, and secure. At the core of crypto is the idea of peer-to-peer transactions. This means you can send money directly to someone anywhere in the world without needing a bank or intermediary. Transactions are verified by a network of computers and recorded on a public digital ledger called the blockchain. Once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be easily changed or deleted, which helps prevent fraud. The first and most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. It was created in 2009 and is often referred to as digital gold because people use it as a store of value. Another major cryptocurrency is Ethereum, which goes beyond just money. Ethereum allows developers to build applications and smart contracts, programs that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, often called altcoins, each with different purposes. Some focus on fast payments, others on privacy, and some are designed for specific industries. For example, XRP is known for enabling quick and low-cost international money transfers. People use crypto for different reasons. Some use it to send and receive money globally, especially where traditional banking is slow or expensive. Others invest in crypto hoping its value will increase over time. There are also traders who buy and sell cryptocurrencies frequently to make short-term profits. However, crypto also comes with risks. Prices can be highly volatile, meaning they can rise or fall quickly. There are also scams and security risks, especially for beginners who don't understand how to protect their funds. That's why it's important to learn the basics before investing. In simple terms, cryptocurrency is a new way of handling money using technology. It gives people more control over their finances and opens up new opportunities in the digital world. As adoption continues to grow, crypto is becoming an important part of the future of finance.